Out of the ag commodities sector, the livestock markets have been probably hit the worst by the coronavirus concerns. Here to talk about that is Tim Petry. And the concern here is demand slowdown,
Yes,
right?
absolutely. With all the sporting events and concerts and restaurants and everything else closed, half our beef goes through there. So that's a real concern of what's going to happen to beef demand.
And even though restaurants may be closed, looks like the retail sector, a lot of shelves the meat cases are empty.
Yes, that's right. Meat is really going at the retail level, and that's good news. And, our cutout value is up over $40 here just in the last few days. And beef is really moving well at the retail level and has to, because we do have a lot of it, record beef production.
So the other concern for both the beef and the pork side is processing and a slowdown if we get some labor issues here, right?
Yes, absolutely. We know what happens when a packing plant goes down. On the beef side, we just did it in August, and devastating for the market. When we got it going, we came back up. But yeah, if we should have health concerns and labor concerns and so on and slow up packing, that's going to be a mushrooming effect as well, because then beef would back up. So yeah, we really need to keep the packing plants going.
Now, we have a positive basis in the cattle, as you mentioned. We're more aligned with the cash to the futures in the hogs.
Yes, we're right on in the nearby on hogs, but in cattle there's a $20 basis, which is really encouraging producers to sell. And again, that's good.
Any other advice?
A little bit of good news maybe is a lot of our calf crop from last year has been sold, and so calves are just being born now, and calving is going along well. So we got to bide some time there till this fall, but our expectations were so good for this fall for calf price. All the fundamentals a month ago were great. We'd have higher calf prices, and now who knows what it'll be, but we're going to have to expect lower prices as of now. See what happens.
Well, thanks for joining us during these very uncertain times in the markets. Tim Petry with NDSU.